Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, the real, original, authentic, official, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh. Now, this is my Farmer John's fully cooked ham. So I don't really need to put this in the oven, but I have the potatoes they gave me and the green beans, and the potatoes are not cooked. So I thought I would put this in the oven, cook the potatoes, cook the green beans, and then I can put the glaze packet on there. And yes, I have to clean my kitchen today. I will be working on that. When I got, excuse me, went out and got this, I came back and started coughing like crazy because I was out in the cold. So let's see how this works. I'll put it in for an hour, see if the potatoes get done. And unfortunately, I don't have anything to put on this other than the glaze. Maybe some soy sauce. I have some packets of soy sauce. So I could put that in there when I'm done. But I'll put the glaze on. I've already opened the cans. So I got 2 cans of the green beans. So that will be dinner. And this gives me a chance to see how this roasting pan will work. Now, what's dumb about this thing, they have a rack with 2 stands on each end. They don't stand up. So maybe that's why it was so cheap. It was like $9.99. The rack won't stand up, but that's okay. At least get the meat off the bottom of the pan, align it with foil. And so let's see what happens when this gets recooked. All the juices flow into the potatoes. I'm turkeyed out. Everybody else is getting a turkey. We had lots of hams. This is pretty good ham though. So let me flip this around. So that's that. I don't know what you're going to see. I'll try this again. I'm going to turn the light off. And so I'm not blinded. And let's see me eat another piece of ham here without the edges. Okay. Now, it's good, but it needs something. So, into the oven it goes. I like the fact they sliced everything. I don't have to sit here and slice it all day. But I've never cooked the ham in the oven. It's always been in a can or pre-cooked. My mother, of course, after my father died, would not eat ham. But I don't care. I'm hungry, I'm tired of turkey, and if you eat too much turkey, you can develop gout in your toes, which is why I only really go get turkey legs with Kathy what to eat. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. I hope you're enjoying your Saturday. I hope your Christmas dinner will be great tomorrow, or whenever. When is Christmas? No, next Wednesday. What am I thinking? It's winter. Well, if you have a winter dinner, it'll be great tomorrow. Enjoy your football. Some people do start baking and cooking way before Christmas, like Monday, I guess. But this is my Christmas dinner. Kathy's not here. We have no money to go see each other, so we'll celebrate on after New Year's. All right, have a good one, and stay warm and dry, and have a great day. Bye-bye for now. It is, I don't know what time it is. Hold on, what time is it? 1:08 in the afternoon. So baking this ham at 1:08 in the afternoon on a cold December day in Martinez. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. See you later.